Welcome back to car training. Now we're going to go over the fastest ways to start a service request from the dashboard page. So in the top menu, the Book Appointment button allows you to book an appointment for a future date. Clicking on it will give you the ability to select a customer by searching for an existing or adding a new customer by putting first name, last name, email address is optional, and mobile phone number. As an example, we will now create a service request for an existing customer. So I've selected the customer information. I now am presented with the vehicle options. I can also add a vehicle by VIN, license plate, or year, make, model from this screen. We're going to select the Honda Pilot, and our title is going to be Service, which includes lube, oil, and filter, and tire rotation. Estimated time is 1 hour. The requested date would be for Monday at 12:30. You can ask the customer for the existing mileage. If they don't have it, the previous known mileage is listed here. We could re-input that. And here are any notes that we have to add. You can now press Create Appointment or Create Appointment and go to SR to go directly into the service request. We'll show you what that looks like. The system now notifies you that you already have a service request open for this client and this customer, and you're able to verify that by clicking on the car ID. If you want to continue, press Yes. And now it will open up a service request for this client with the vehicle selected and allow you to fill out the recommendation or leave the appointment in for a different date and time. Going back to the dashboard page, the second way to create a service request is by clicking the Quick Service Request icon in the top bar. Clicking that will bring you directly to a service request window where you can now search for customer information, select the appropriate customer once you found it, select the vehicle. System will again notify you that you have open service requests. Clicking Close and Confirm will now load that customer's information into the service request. For more information on service request fill recommendation, please check the videos available here. So now going back to the dashboard, you can check an existing customer through the Easy Check-in interface. You can select by last name, license plate, last 4 digits of phone number, business name, unit number, or VIN number. So we're going to use last 4 digits. Put it in. The system will now present you with customer name, email, address, city, state, country, and mobile number. This is done for you to confirm that this is the correct information. So in this instance, you can ask the client, "Hi client, is this still your email and address?" And your mobile phone number is obviously correct because we just pulled it up by the last 4 digits. From this point, you can select Action. You can add a vehicle, view the vehicles, new service request, or view all requests for this client. If you press New Service Request, the request creation page will open and you will now be prompted letting you know that you already have open service requests for this vehicle. You can click to check them or click Close. Here is the vehicle that we selected. We can input a title, select the date if it is for right now or for a date in the future. You can change it. Present mileage also showed grayed out. On the lot, if you have the keys with you, request notes, and any services that the client is here for today. And then once you're done, you can click Submit or Submit and Open. Submit and Open brings you directly to the service request. While opening a service request, it will also check for a balance from this client and notify you that you have an open balance on this account. Yes, we want to continue. And here is our service request now open with all the relevant information and vehicle that we selected. And here is the job for synthetic oil and filter change. And now, going back to the dashboard page, here is the final way to start a service request. By clicking the new customer icon, you can enter in new client information. Once you are done, if you press Submit and Add Vehicle, Car will bring you to a page where you can add a vehicle based on year, make, model, license plate, or VIN number, and then start a service request from the following screen. So these are the 4 ways that you can start a service request from the car dashboard. We'll review them quickly just to remind everybody. We have the quick service request icon. We have the book appointment icon. We have the easy check-in system. And here we have the new customer icon and also the quick service request icon. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at CAR. Thank you and have a great day.